Hello, I am Aslesha. I am National Trainer of JCI India. Today we had a session on power of self-talk. Friends, daily 80,000 of thoughts pass through our mind without our consciousness. And unfortunately, we humans are not noticing our thoughts. But once we start noticing our thoughts, we will start identifying under what pattern we are talking to ourselves. Generally and basically it is constructive self-talk and dysfunctional self-talk. Most of the time we only talk in a negative way to ourselves and the world around us. But if it crosses the limit and if we continue to speak in dysfunctional self-talk and negative self-talk, it impacts and spoils our mental health. And that is why in this present scenario of pandemic, we should always have a conscious thought on how we are speaking to ourselves internally, or else we would be on a very big problem of increasing mental illness and mental disorders. And my dear friends, perfect and positive self-talk will enhance your living style and will take you to the next level of your life. When you are alone, you notice your self-talk and start identifying under what pattern you are talking. If it is negative self-talk, my dear friends, work on it. Put some conscious effort to convert it into positive self-talk. Always invest time in yourself because you are your good friend. Invest time to improve yourself by investing a proper and positive self-talk for yourself. And by then, if you change yourself internally, you can be a good human being. Thereby, the whole world and society will see a good human being in you and the whole world will be at peace. Thank you.
நான் சுயசிற்பி. இன்னைக்கு இந்த பவர் ஆஃப் செல்ஃப் டாக் அப்படிங்கிற இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் வந்து ரொம்ப இம்ப்ரெசிவாக இருந்தது. நாளுக்கு நாள் வந்து நம்மளோட லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் எப்படி மெருகேற்றிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு வந்து எண்ணங்களால் மட்டுமே இல்லாமல் உங்களுடைய வார்த்தைகளாலும் நீங்கள் எப்படி உங்களை நீங்கள் டெவலப் பண்ணிக்கலாம், க்ரூம் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிற அந்த ஒரு அழகான அந்த தெளிவுரையை வந்து ரொம்ப நுணுக்கமாகவும் ரொம்ப தொழில்நுட்ப ரீதியாகவும் உளவியல் ரீதியாகவும் சொன்னது வந்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தது. மேலும் மேலும் இந்த மாதிரியான ப்ரோக்ராமை JCI பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு நம்பிக்கையோட உரையை முடிக்கிறேன்.
It's my pleasure and I'm proudly delighted to introduce this vibrant and charming personality to this wonderful gathering. She is currently working as a Dean at Pradeepa Educare and Junior College and a mentor for civil services aspirants. She is a certified soft skill trainer and provisional national trainer at JCI. She owns an active YouTube channel named Star Hub of Education with 4,500 plus subscribers and inspiration to many. She has conducted more than 100 training programs for various schools, colleges, JCs and for corporate clients on personality development. She has joined JCs in the year 2010 and held different positions in the law. She was also awarded Senate this year. She is also a honorary member of Rotary International and iFocus Mission. Star always shine in the sky. Star always shine in the sky. Likewise, she is a regular guest faculty at various government organizations like arts colleges, Central Prison AP, Skill Development Corporation, etc. to name a few.
Today, the title is Power of Self-Talk. It's not self-talk. Self-talk we already know. We came to know at least. That's something we always keep on chatting or murmuring inside us, that is self-talk. But today in this session, my dear friends, we are going to discuss the power of self-talk. Got it? Are you with me?
Yes.
Say a big yes.
Yes.
Okay. Today in this session, we are going to learn about role of self-talk in building our self-esteem and self-confidence and identification of self-talk pattern. Each one of us will be having a special pattern. Everybody won't talk in a similar way. I'll be talking in a different way. Some people will talk in a different way which is completely negative. Some people talk in a positive way. But 99% of the people, they mix and match both positive and negative self-talks. But again, there are 6 to 7 patterns and each of one sitting here falls under one single pattern. By the end of the session, we are going to identify under which self-talk are we going to fall. Because when you go to a doctor, you should first diagnose what your problem is, not disease, sorry. What your problem is. So if you can identify what your self-talk pattern is, there will be chances for you to shift it, improve it, transform it. Okay? And at the last, we'll be learning about techniques to improve self-talk, positive self-talk pattern. And my dear friends, previously also I was telling you, every time we'll be talking with ourselves. On an average, every day a man sees or hears something. In the whole day, around 60,000 thoughts pass through his mind. How many thoughts? 60,000 thoughts. Recently I was reading this book.